Here comes the ladies.
Hi, my name is Sam.
And this is Chloe.
Join us in our podcast.
As we talk about relationships, love, sex,
Friendship, family, career,
and everything in between. And everything in between. And everything in between.
Oh, by the way, that's the title of the show.
You got that right. Now let's do some talking.
Everything in between with Sam and Chloe.
All right, hello everybody. Welcome back to Everything in Between with Sam and
Chloe.
you.
Excited.
Excited. Ayan. So, Mau, it's time to talk about our second episode, Taking Back a Cheater and Everything in
In between.
And we are happy to have with us today a guest on our show. Hello, Mary. Hi. Can you hear us?
Hello po.
Hi, Mary. Mary, how old are you?
I'm 23 po.
23.
23.
Yeah.
And you are from?
Tarlac.
From Tarlac, or originally from Tarlac.
Yes po.
But you're staying here in Manila where?
In San Mateo Rizal po.
San Mateo Rizal.
Super
Alright.
layo.
Lapit lang, ha? Lapit lang dito.
Oo, sobrang lapit. Thank you so much for your time, Mary. So, ang topic ka natin is taking back a cheater and everything in between. Ano yung thoughts mo about this? Because, we were talking off mic. You were telling me na meron ka ng relationship experience, ganyan. And parang a bit of it, parang nangyari din sa'yo before.
Yes
So,
po.
ano bang pakiramdam mo sa taking back a cheater?
Taking back a cheater, parang for me po is hindi na siya worth it. Since past na nga po siya and you learn from it na po kasi. That's why, cheating is cheating. Parang very wrong na talaga yon. Ekis na.
So talagang ang mabilis ka mag-decide when it comes to cheating, ah. What if itong person na to, he really tried to win
Win
you
you
back,
back, ganon.
yun, to gain your trust again. Magkaka-second thoughts ka ba if ever natanggapin siya uli sa buhay mo?
I think very mahirap din po to decide.
Hindi mo pa, ikaw mismo, hindi mo pa na-try na, take someone back who cheated on you?
He tried po. Parang trinay niya na like, can we start again? Parang ganon na humingi siya ng chance. Pero po kasi, parang it's too much na rin po kasi naulit nang naulit.
Okay. May history na.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So parang hindi mo talaga totally mabigay yung chance, kumbaga, na, nabigyan siya ng chance kasi alam mo nang paulit. Kumbaga siguro, yung experience mo ba is, sinabi mo paulit-ulit, nahuli mo na, tapos parang,
Binigyan mo ng chance.
bigyan mo ng chance before, you're still in a relationship, tapos nahuli mo na naman.
Ulit.
Parang ganun ba yung nangyari?
Para kasi nung start po, very minor lang. Like,
How minor?
nakikita kong parang interested siya sa other girl, sa Facebook, sa social media.
Naglalike.
Yeah,
ganun.
mga ganon. And then, he's chatting someone na friend lang, pero parang hindi ko siya masyadong pinansin.
Pero ang sabi sa'yo, friend lang.
Oo, parang ganun po.
Ganun pala ang nangyari sa kanya.
Ano
Kaya
yung
pala.
major na ginawa?
ang pinaka-major po is, meron po kasi siyang friend na parang pinagsasabihan niya ng problems if ever may problem kami. Like, may friend siya. Long-term friend na po niya to. And then, yun nga, ina-advise as the best friend. Ganun po. Tapos, hindi ko siya tiningnan as parang negative nung una. Pero nung meron na akong instinct na, ay, parang iba na. Yung closeness nila, ganyan. Parang,
Babae. Babae yung best friend?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, babae. Nakakalok. Ganun.
Girl best friend ito.
Girl best friend. Para kasi yung best friend po na niya yun is, simula hindi naman, parang, nung medyo bata pa siya, is nakakasama na niya.
Parang kababata, ganon. Kababata niya, okay.
Tapos, one time nga, nung parang nag-away kami ganyan, parang sinasabi na nitong girl na parang iwan mo na siya. Parang ganun. And then nung after po nung yun nga, parang iba na po yung feeling ko na yun na, parang iba na talaga. So nung nag-end na po, ayun. Parang nagkaroon sila ng something.
So, parang may niluluto na kayo pa, parang gano'n.
Oo,
So,
parang
yun yung talagang reason kung bakit kayo naghiwalay. Okay.
Actually, parang, do you call that kind of thing cheating?
Oo naman.
Kasi even if it's not labeled as a relationship with another person,
Oo.
while you're still in a relationship with another person, di ba?
May abangers na eh.
Parang I would, personally, I would consider that cheating already. Kasi yun nga, parang may ulam ka na, may niluluto ka pa, parang gano'n.
Oo.
Ganun yung dating, di ba?
Nabasa ko kagad, no? Best friend pala.
Yun ang galing maka-decipher kagad ni
Oo.
DJ Chloe eh. Parang may hugot.
Wala naman. Wala akong ma-experience na ganyan. Ay, meron pala. Meron,
Pinaalala
pero...
bigla,
Oo, pero meron siyang best friend na parang... I think the girl tried naman na maging friend ako, pero parang lagi niyang kinukuhanan ng opinion about us, about his life. Sino ba to? Tapos parang kung sasabihin ng babae na parang yung babae may what's the term, may beef siya about me. Parang bakit parang inis na inis to sa akin? Eh, friend lang naman siya.
Correct.
Diba? Pero hindi ko na inalam kung naging sila o whatever. Wala akong pake. O di sa'yo na. Sumunod, diba?
Correct. Mas stress ka pa, di ba?
Dalawa na kayong pakisamahan ko.
Correct. Parang hirap naman nun. But
Oo.
anyways, so Mary, ano yung naging decision mo bakit? I mean, what led to that decision na hindi mo na siya tatanggapin? Paano ka nakapag-decide na ayoko na talaga? That's it. Parang you belong to the past, and I will move on. Paano ka nakapag-decide ng ganyang katibay? Kasi hindi mahirap, hindi madali yan for a lot of
Yes
women, pag nilapit-lapitan na, sinuyo na,
Yeah.
parang dinedate ka, alam mo yung parang nasa honeymoon stage kayo bigla ulit.
Yeah.
Di ba parang ang hirap tumanggi, alam mo yun? Parang syempre mahal mo pa rin
So,
yung
isipin
tao.
mo, pinagsamahan kayo,
correct.
ganyan-ganyan.
Di ba parang feeling mo parang he's putting you up again on the throne, pero ikaw talagang matibay ka, nag-decide ka, it's enough. What led to that decision?
That time po kasi is parang naging toxic na rin po kasi yung relationship. Aside from, yun nga po, yung cheating issue niya is, meron din po kaming mga bagay na hindi na nako-compromise na maayos. Parang hindi na rin po kami nag-grow together. And I think pag hindi na po kasi nag-grow yung relationship, parang I think it's not worth it pa eh. Parang hindi mo na...
ituloy.
Oo po.
Okay.
I see. So talagang ramdam mo na talaga na wala na,
Kailangan
parang
na
medyo
tong
dead end, oo.
Lost cause na to.
Correct.
True.
Hindi, actually, kasi sabi nga ng experts din talaga, when you're giving someone a second chances call for new terms.
Yes.
Diba? It's not like, the first time na walang nangyari sa inyo. I mean, walang nangyari na, tawag dito, na cheating sa relationship, diba? It's not like the first time na malinis pa yung relasyon nyo, walang lamat,
po.
diba? Masaya. Cheaters won't change unless they commit to making changes in their relationship. Diba? Kailangan talaga willing silang magbago.
Tama.
So, once you decide to give things another go, don't go on hoping things will be magically better
Yes.
this time around, diba?
Yes.
Hindi
po.
siya instant na pag pinagbigyan mo, it's
Balik
gonna
kayo
be-
sa dati.
Oo. Or
It's going to
better,
be-
maybe.
It's going to be different.
Kailangan new terms. Kasi
Exactly.
isipin mo ikaw ba, Mary, kung sakaling pinagbigyan mo siya uli sa buhay mo, are you ready to deal with trust issues? Diba? Gusto mo bang pagdaanan yun bilang isang babae?
Of course not po. Parang mahirap din po yung trust na nasira eh. Parang mahirap na rin po ibalik.
Kasi
True,
diba,
true.
magkakaroon ka ng trust issues,
Yes.
magkakaroon ka ng insecurity, diba, lalo na pag kilala mo kung sino yung medyo katamblingan niya sa kabilang bako, diba? Yung ganon.
Tsaka hindi mo maiiwasan maging historical pagka
True.
ganyan.
Opo.
Kakalkalin mo na naman.
Tsaka tama yun eh. Sinabi kasi ni Mary na toxic na. So,
Yeah.
pag sinabi mong toxic kasi napapagod ka na.
Opo.
Diba? Tama, parang walang healing na nangyayari.
Yeah.
Tapos tama nga, sinabi mo, walang growth. So it's really toxic and you know that it's enough for you kasi you wouldn't be happy in a very toxic relationship, right?
Yes. true
Right.
po.
And one thing can lead to another. It can be a lot worse. Kumbaga, yung drama niyong dalawa about cheating and about the so-called best friend, it can get worse.
Opo.
Diba? It can get worse. So, tama lang talaga. Na-realize mo ba sa sarili mo na, okay na, hanggang dito na lang. Tama na yon kasi enough na. Yung talking about your emotions naman.
Yes po. Parang nung ilang months na po na parang wala na, ay, okay lang po pala na yun yung decision ko. Parang it's
Hindi mo siya pinagsisihan.
Hindi ko po siya pinagsisihan kasi I see naman my self-worth din po as a
That's good.
woman na hindi ko kailangang ipagsiksikan, like ipilit yung sarili ko sa iba
That's good.
na kailangan mo pang parang ihabulin pa yung relationship since you learned from it na nga po. Parang yun po, self-worth po talaga.
Ayan na, sa mga magiging future boyfriend ni Mary. Hindi na nagte-take back yan. Huwag kayong mag-cheat.
True.
Siguraduhin.
Opo.
Once it's done, it's
It's
done.
done na talaga.
Yes.
So Mary, anong mapapayo mo sa mga kapwa mo kababaihan? Either kaedad mo or mas matanda sa'yo o mas bata sa'yo. Anong mapapayo mo sa kanila when it comes to, being in a relationship that you were cheated on and of course trying to take back a cheater?
Siguro po, I think, wala naman pong masama sa pagmamahal. Love is very natural po sa ating lahat. Pagmahal natin ng isang tao, nagagawa natin lahat, nagagawa natin magbigay ng chance, na ibibigay natin yung mga effort na deserve ng taong mahal natin. Pero kasi at the same time, let's see our, rin naman po, self-worth as a woman or as a, kahit lalaki ka, if ever you are cheated on, parang naloko ka na, parang wag mo nang hayaan pa na masyado ka pang durugin before mo ma-realize na mali na yung ginagawa mo. It's like, tingnan po natin yung relationship na mag-grow tayo together with that person. Ayun po.
Okay. Tama naman yun. Tama naman yun. Oo.
Alright.
At the end of the day, yung mo, yung respeto mo sa sarili mo eh.
Oo, totoo yan. Kasi
Opo.
syempre, di ba, siguro yung pagte-take back ng cheater, case-to-case basis siya.
Oo.
Yes po.
Yes,
Parang,
yes.
Siguro depende sa tao, depende sa sitwasyon, but it's not an easy process.
Yes
And
po.
that is something that you have to be ready for. Kasi nga, once you take back a cheater, parang the past will always haunt you.
Yes po.
Historical.
Ang hirap maglimot-limutan. Alam mo yung pag magkasama kayo,
Opo.
mag-holding hands na naman kayo, parang limot-limutan ka na lang na may mga naganap na eme-eme dyan, di ba?
Yeah. Siyempre may isip mo nakipag-holding hands din siya doon. Yung mga ganun.
Diba? Alam mo yun, parang kumain din sila doon,
Yes.
namasyal din sila dyan.
Baka mamaya pinag-uusapan ka pa nila. O, diba?
Nakakapraning siya talaga kasi. Hindi, so if you decide not to take back a cheater, it's like you're sparing yourself from all the yung kumbaga yung sakit sa ulo ng magkaroon ka ng mawalan ka ng peace of mind.
Yes.
True.
Diba? Kasi syempre masakit naman talaga sa ulo yung isip ka ng isip. Na baka ginagawa na naman niya or bait-maitan siya ngayon, pinagbigyan ko bait-maitan pero may ginagawa na naman pala.
Tama.
parang
Hindi
magiging
po madali.
ka. Diba?
Oo. Praning. Mapapraning ka talaga.
Diba? Ayan. So Mary, maraming salamat for sharing your time with us and para sa magandang payo mo for all the women out there before taking back a cheater. Ayan.
Yes
Thank you
po.
so much, Mary.
Thank you po.
All right. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan. Taking back a cheater and everything in between.